What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've not been playing Animal Company for about, who knows, like, I've not been playing Animal Company for 4 days straight, including VR, because I went on a vacation, and, yeah. So, I have no idea what's about the new update. My dad, Dad, shout out to my dad, he bought me the bundle. There's an Xbox right here. It's cool. So there's a new bundle, which is the shark bundle. Ew. Where's the great white shark? Here my hair go. That looks ugly, bro. What does this look like? I bet. Oh my goodness, I'm stuck. Yo, I'm a shark! Let's go! I don't want to worry about that. So, then I'm gonna go buy some stuff. Yeah, I'm a polar bear now. I have 4,000 left. I don't know what I can buy. What even can I buy? The only thing I can. So this is my fantastic.
They should know me by now.
Yeah, okay, so don't mind. He's going to it.
Bro,
So,
where'd you go? I can't see at all.
Oh my goodness, bro, you're stupid. Why didn't you get the flashlight?
Because I only have 2 hands.
Okay, so... Yeah, oh, there's so much landmines in here. Where did we even go? I'm just gonna grapple on this.
Just grapple over the landmines.
Oh, look. Hi, buddy, look how cute he is.
I don't have ammo! I don't have ammo!
What is that thing, bro? Okay. I caught one! I caught one, bro! I caught one! I caught one! I'm gonna go kill it. I'm gonna kill it.
Bro, I don't have ammo. You didn't give me ammo.
I couldn't buy ammo. Oh, that's the limit. The spider. Well, why is he so tiny?
There's spider webs.
Oh wait, what the? Wait,
You have to feed it
this. We have to feed it this. And then it will spit out these little, like, white dots that's like blue.
Why do you have so many?
Ow! Ow! Don't get near his mouth, bro. He can eat you. Okay, guys, so now I am back in the code. So, yeah. Where'd it go? Look at my rare flashlight backpack, bro.
Show me a willy.
What? Okay, guys, so...
Alright, let's go sell them.
No, I don't want to sell mine. Okay,
I'm selling mine.
so as you can see...
how much they're worth.
Okay, guys, so It's up to this dude right here. It's up to this dude, Toastcat79. Should I buy research points with my company coins, or should I buy another one? Thanks for the research points, my guy. Hey! Now I am back with 11 research points. So now let's see what I can buy for 1,000 company coins. Whoa, ew. This is like from the dinosaur pack.
I need 9,400 company coins, and I have.
Okay, guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment down below, and say WDad in the comments for buying me the Shark Bundle. Bye-bye.